Okay, 2 adult tickets. So adult tickets, the price is $24. So how much did she pay in total? 24 times 2, which is 48. So your answer is just 48, but with the dollar sign. Okay, I see answers 130 for the next one. Okay, just to let you know, okay, this question is a trick question. If your answer is 130, you got tricked. It's not 130. It's actually less than 130. So I see that some of you have the other answer, which is 128. Okay, so for this, right, you shouldn't assume that straight away you get the answer, because why? They did ask you for the list. And if you see carefully, there are many ways to get to 4 adults and 3 children. So let me just copy this to the bottom. Okay, well, some of you go and think, how can I get 128 and not 130? So the first thing that people would naturally think of, right? Okay, if you have bought bundle deals, right, before, like real life, sometimes they say you buy certain number of you bundle deal as a family deal, you tend to pay cheaper. Is it true? You see, 1 adult, 1 child. If you look at 24 plus 18 is 42. But if you buy the package A, which is 1 adult, 1 child, it's only $36. So it is cheaper to consider the different packages. Then you see 2 adults. 2 adults is 48. 1 child is 18. See, the actual price is 66, but currently it's 56. So it's cheaper by $10. Now, so how do you decide what to calculate to get 4 adults and 3 children? So those who got 130, right? You took 2 times package B, right? Which will give you 2 times package B will give you 4 adults plus 2 children. So you will have to add one more child ticket to 3. Okay, to make it 4 adults and 3 children. So if you go by this plan, so plan 1, okay, total cost will be 20. Okay, wait, sorry. $56 times 2, okay, plus 1 child is 18. That is 112 plus 18, which will give you $130. Then you will say, I think this is the answer. Why? Because when I try plan 2, okay, this is what most students will do. Plan 2 will be, okay, 1 adult, 1 child. Okay, I've decided to buy 3 times package A. That will give me 3 adults plus 3 children. So to make it up to 4 adults, I need to plus 1 adult, which will give me 4 adults and 3 children. So the total cost for this plan, right, would be, okay, $36 times 3, because 3 times package A plus 1 adult ticket, you will get 108 plus 24. That will give you 132. Again, okay, it has proven that my first plan is still cheaper. But most of you did not see the third plan, which is why most of you got $130. Plan, okay, 3, you can actually have, okay, package A, mix and match package A and B. What do I mean by mix and match? So just now we did, okay, add like individual adults and children, right? So that gives us the price that we saw earlier. But you remember, when you have bundle deals, it's always cheaper. So how can I make use of both package A and package B? So package A, okay, gives me 1 child and 1 adult. And then package B give me 2 adults. So how can I make it 4 adults? So I will try to, okay, try and error 2 times package A. That will give me 2 adults plus 2 children. Then just nice, 1 time, okay, 1 package B, right, will give me 2 adults and 1 child. And then do I get what I need? 2 adults and two adults and 2 adults, 4 adults. Then 2 children and 1 child. Sorry, not 1 children, 1 child. Okay, will give me 3 children. Okay, so now I can find the total cost. So you will realize, okay, that this is the cheapest. 2 times 36 plus 56, which is 72 plus 56 is 128. So those who gave 130 means that you have not thought through enough, or you decided that I think I'm correct already. I don't need to do so many steps. Okay, so take note. Okay, let me just erase this marking here. So it should be the least amount is 128. So if you ask me this question, is it difficult? It's not difficult, it's just tedious. So you just need to make sure that, okay, you look at all the plans possible and then you find out which is the cheapest. But some students could get it right from the first guess. But if you cannot, you have to guess, just go and guess it. But make sure that you don't make any calculation error. Since calculator is allowed, it should be easy for you to calculate. Okay? So this one, 128, 128. So Jay say how? So I already explained how. So you will always try to consider using the bundle deals. And then once you use the bundle deals, then you can make it up to 4 adults and 3 children. That's where you see actually the price goes down by a little bit. It's not a lot of significant difference, but every dollar saved, okay, it makes the 128 become the least amount that the Malik had to pay. Okay? Understand? So I move on. So